YouTube, we done. We got it outside, man. Everything complete on it. We got the door jambs, we got the wheels, we got everything complete. Everything complete. If it ain't prepped right, chances are it ain't gonna look right. You wanna see more of that? Stay tuned for more of this video. Hey, what's going on, everyone out there? I'm Devon, and you are now watching New Touch Auto Dipping. In this situation right here, and I mean situation, we got a project behind us. We got a nice Audi. Man, it got a lot going on, man. Got a lot of colors, door panels. I mean, the whole nine, man. This vehicle here gonna take some work. We're gonna change it up though. We're gonna give it something new. But you're gonna see the before and after pic, so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. But we're gonna hit it with the carbon red. Carbon red. They got rims we're gonna do too, but you'll be able to see all that. Stay tuned. You see it back here? We got the cloudy Audi. We got it taped off. It's masked, ready, prep, all that, man. We ready. We got some rims on the side. We're gonna be doing those too, so you'll be able to check those out throughout this video. But if it ain't prepped right, chances are it ain't gonna look right. So keep that in mind if you're a beginner out there. But I'm super excited, man. I can't wait to get done with this project. But y'all stay tuned if y'all want to see the afters, because you've seen it before. But check out them afters. for that quick rundown. You see it back here? Quick rundown. We did the carbon red all the way around. Carbon red. Then we did the door jambs. We had to do the door jambs. We had to. Because it was too many colors in there. Challenge. That's what we like. We like them challenges. And then work our way to the back. As y'all can see, we color match them wheels, man. Look at that. That's nice, man. Oh yeah. Tell y'all right now, if it ain't prepped right, chances are it ain't gonna look right. So check this out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Check out our channel. Plenty to look at. Thank you for watching this video. Catch y'all on the next one.